Let us imagine the velocity possessed. Let us say number of molecules over here, number of molecules and corresponding velocity. If I say there are two columns, if I'm taking, there are 5 molecules possessing 5 meter per second, 10 molecules possessing 10 meter per second. Okay, then 15 molecules possessing 15 meter per second, and then let us come to the 20. If I'm taking again 5 molecules, let us say 10 molecules again. If I'm taking again back 10 molecules possessing 20 meter per second. If I'm taking again 5 molecules possessing 25 meter per second. Let us understand this particular one in such a way, graphically, if I represent this particular one, standing with the 5, standing with 10, 15, this is the number of molecules. And if you have this particular one, here is 5, here is 10, here is 15, here is 20, here is 25. If I'm taking this particular one, you can see the molecules moving in this way. If I take this particular one, the graphically it will reach to the top and we'll come back to this. This is how the graphical representation comes to be. Now when you are taking this particular one in this graph, we will be reaching to a point where, let us take about this particular one, the graphically this is the point. Okay, and this is the point where we are talking about. If I am taking this into consideration, the peak of the curve, at the peak of the curve, this is the number of people, the maximum number of molecules, maximum number of molecules. This indicates maximum number of molecules. What does this indicates is the velocity possessed by velocity of maximum number of molecules, maximum number of molecules, velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules. So when you consider this particular data which is given statistically, if you take a graphical approach, we get a relation saying that the graph will reach to a maximum limit at which we can see the fraction of molecules possessing the velocity, where maximum fraction of molecules possessing a particular velocity, that velocity is taken as most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. What does this means to say? This is the velocity, does not mean to say it is the lowest or it is the highest velocity. This is some velocity, but possessed by maximum number of people within the system, where you can reach the maxima of the graph. At that particular point, what is the velocity possessed by maximum number of people? That is taken as most probable velocity, which is given as the velocity possessed by maximum fraction of molecules at a particular temperature. Mathematically, it is given with the relation most probable velocity is equals to root 2 RT by M or root 2 PV by M or root 2 P by D, where if you compare the velocities of most probable with average and RMS velocity, we get a relation which is equals to root 2 is to root 8 by pi is to root 3, which will be equals to 1 is to 1.128 is to 1.224. So this clearly indicates u RMS velocity is greater than u average velocity greater than u most probable velocity.